My name is Annalie and I'm here as Jake's mother. That was a wonderful and very informative section by Dr. Lija. Actually, being a mother, I know how important my health is. Actually, the foundation of a family's happiness is a mother's health. I truly understand from her words how important our health is. So a regular routine checkups can make this digestion more easier. So I think every mother should get a chance to dictate it. Every mother should get a chance to save their family by getting free of all these kinds of diseases. Thank you.
I promise to take care of my health and my heart.
I promise to eat healthy and stay active.
I promise to stay positive and spread hope.
I promise to listen to my body and take rest when needed.
I promise to choose self-care without guilt.
I promise never to ignore regular checkup.
I promise to help women's health.
I promise to listen to my body.